Welcome back to part 2 of building this Zuru Max Retro set. And it is a Game Boy with a Game Boy cartridge. And also we're about to dig in deep into this instructions. It also has 188 pieces. Wow. If you want to find this set, you can go to Michael's. And yeah, so we're about to do this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, the stickers, okay. So we're about to do this. Okay. This thing's indestructible. Strong. My teeth is not sharp enough. Oh, thank you very much, editor. Okay. Okay, sorry to cheat that test. Okay. Okay, time to build. Okay everyone, this is the finished project. Did anyone like it? Oh, also forgot, you could put this in there like a real Game Boy. And they had the features for it. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what I should unbox or build next. Have a great day. See ya! What do you want to be ya?